birthday, dear Samantha. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, make a wish. Keep blowing, Sam.
Help me out, Al.
Help him out.
Get up there, Don. You can help. Don't touch him. Just blow. Good, Al. Help him.
Blow! Harder! Oh, they got one.
Okay, easy on the table, bud. You're shaking it. Okay, wait. Okay, that's good.
Don't touch, honey. They're hot. Please don't touch. Okay, don't touch.
All right, now who's gonna put him out?
They're still coming back.
I'm not touching those.
You need water.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
We're good. They're done.
No,
They light when you blow them, Mom. Stop blowing them.
Dawn will take care of it. She went to get water, I think.
Oh, they're still coming back.
Okay, that's good. Stop. Dang it. Okay. Oh.
we did these with Morgan, remember? And they just would not go out ever.
Thank you.
I love chicken.
Those fat ones, really. Yep.
They're so much
These
fun.
ones. And that other one should be fine.
Look how far they melted.
That's okay, honey.
That makes it even better.
Okay. Please turn that off for me. I'm sorry.
Oh, look at that. Did with smile.
No.
Let me wash my hands.
Yes.
Look at the one of those.
Yes.